I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now search and select Google Contacts. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Create new project. Give a meaningful project name. Click on Create. Now search for Google Contacts API. Click on Enable. Again, search for Google People API. Click on Enable. Go to Credentials. Click on Configure Consent screen. Choose External. Click Create. Give a meaningful app name. Give a user support email. Give developer contact information email. Save and continue. Back to Dashboard. Again, click on Credentials. Create credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID. Application type Web application. Give a meaningful name. To get authorized JavaScript origins, go to Bit Integration Dashboard and copy homepage URL and paste it here. To get authorized redirect URI, go to Bit Integration Dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI and paste it here. Click on Create. Now copy client ID and paste it here. Copy client secret and paste it here. Click on Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click on Next. Select Action Create Contacts. Map your respective fields. You can also upload your photo by checking this box. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the specified condition is met, it will create a contact in Google Contacts. Click on Next. Click Finish and Save. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Let's check our Google Contacts. Reload your browser. As you can see, a contact has been created successfully to Google Contacts. Thanks for watching.